All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back here for another recap. Today we are finishing break even, so flat on the day. I took a total of 430 orders. Crazy. 430 orders to make $11 after fees. I think I'm red $5. So flat day, and writing was on the wall. Writing was on the wall till about like 11:30, and then we started to get something on WISA, which I didn't trade. I let this one kind of go without me. I thought, at this point, I wasn't green. I was up, I was down, small red, small green all day long. Couldn't really hold on to any profits. And just constantly like a one step forward, one step back kind of day. But WISA started to pull away and made a very nice move. Very nice move. So can't discount, this opportunity here, even though I wasn't here to capture it. I did stop trading at maybe around like 11. And this pullback here, technically, it's still kind of holding higher lows and higher highs. So still kind of on a front side move with these technicals. And then once it started to pull away, wow, it looks like it was just beautiful. It looks pretty beautiful. I'm not sure how easy it was to trade, but it looks like we had a halt here, resumed lower, chopped around before finally breaking out. Maybe it wasn't that as easy to trade as it looks, but I struggled with it early in the morning. I did have a nice, I got chopped around in this area, but I was able to get some small profits. This one I'm up to a little over $200 on, just at the open here. But yeah, it wasn't very clean price action, and it didn't really open up until later in the morning or midday, which is kind of unfortunate. And we didn't really have anything kind of obvious, between 9:30 and 11:30, or 9:30 and 11. We did have PALI, which was very nice pre-market. But like I said, sometimes when you have a very nice pre-market chart, very nice huge gap on the pre-market chart, sometimes it doesn't hold up at the open, and you get a pretty nasty sell-off, which is kind of what we got here on PALI. We did have a small little pop to the upside, but I wasn't able to capture it. I think I'm actually small red. Yeah, down $50 on PALI. I didn't capture this move here, which kind of stinks, but yeah, today was just a wash. Today was a wash. It felt like I was like banging my head against the wall, just trying to like get something going, and it just nothing happened. I couldn't hold on to profits. I just could not hold on to profits. What else did we have today? PRSO red $28. This one, yeah, looks like at the open. Let's see what happened here. I did have one decent trade on it. I know I was down. Yeah, so in this area, looks like I got chopped around here. 3-cent loss here on 5K shares, 2-cent gain, 1-cent loss here. So kind of getting chopped around in this area. Then we finally break out. I try to catch a break of 2. Looks like small profits there. Maybe like a half a cent profit on 7,000 shares. So what is that, like $35? Looks like a small loss there. And then here, I did trade this here through the high, catching a pullback, 1,000 shares at 07, selling some at 11, and then I add for the break through the high at 14, and I'm selling here at 13. So taking a little bit of a loss there. Then in at 14 and out at 14. So didn't really get much going there on PRSO either. And actually small red on that name, which is, I thought I was green. SXTC was another one. So this one, somebody's saying this was being pumped by a Twitter pumper, Zach Morris, I think. Zach Morris, I guess Zach Morris is somebody was pumping stocks back in 2022. So I guess he's back on Twitter trying to pump names, which is why we got that crazy stock Yesterday, that like gapped up like $3 a share on a halt, and then started to make a little bit of bigger move. But on SXTC, I guess this one was another name that he was pumping. It didn't go much further than that. I did try to get a little aggressive, but the spread started to eat me a little bit. The spread started to eat me. And I think I'm red on this ticker as well. I'm red on this ticker as well. So just getting chopped around. Nothing to really showcase in my archive as far as A+ setup goes. Just a lot of just small green, small red, kind of getting chopped around. Can't really get anything to stick. Let's see here. And that was it. Yeah, on XSTC. I still have yet to review my film, so I'm going to review my film too today. But with WISA, I feel like I could have captured this. But the only thing I can do now is wait for potential sympathy. Maybe tomorrow we see something similar that might be easier to trade, or maybe resolves in a move like this earlier in the day to where we can actually have some tradable action. 9:30 to 10:30 was a little tough today. But let's see here. For the news, I know in the news on WISA was like a partnership with another company for their HD TVs. Licensing with multi-billion-dollar revenue company signaling rapid adoption of its immersive audio technology. Integration with Android-based TV. So pretty decent catalyst. I know this morning I was saying it wasn't really that good of a catalyst, but it turned out to be pretty decent. The market seemed to react well to that. So hopefully with this move we got here on WISA, like it really cleared out a lot of the daily levels here. So it looks like we cleared out, this was a major level here, and then this was a major level here, 522. Do I think this is going to continue? I don't know. It's tough to say. It's tough to say. A multi-day runner would be nice, but it really depends if it can kind of hold this. I don't want to see this going below VWAP. If I start to see it fading below VWAP, it's likely going to be backside from there. I mean, it already is kind of backside on the technicals, but if it goes below VWAP, it just confirms that it's even more bearish territory. As of right now, it's still above VWAP, so you can still consider it. Some people could still consider it a long above VWAP or around VWAP for another leg higher, but I'm not too convinced that we're going to have a multi-day runner on this. So, and if we do, then that's good. If we do, we can trade it tomorrow, or if we don't trade it tomorrow, we can get some decent sympathy. Hopefully, this 400% move on WISA kind of stirs up the pot a little bit. Maybe we can see some more momentum tomorrow and for the rest of the week. That would be very nice. But for today, I'm sitting break even on the day. Yeah, kind of feel crappy that I'm sitting break even, but it is what it is. I mean, at least I'm not big red, and just continue trucking along, coasting, or what do they call it? Continue treading water until I can nail a good setup, or I have a stock that I really am reading correctly. It didn't seem like WISA I was reading it that well. It was very tough to read. So maybe we'll get something different tomorrow that I'm better in tune with. So hopefully you guys got some green on WISA on this crazy move, 400% crazy. If you guys are red though, kind of like me, or break even, that's fine. Don't beat yourself up. Make sure you review your film, review your tape, study your trades, and be ready for tomorrow. If you guys wanted to check out my live recording or my my film, you guys can check out the link down in the description for Merciless Markets. You guys can go to Triad Trading Archives, and you guys can sign up for my archives for $195 a year. You guys can have access to every single day that I trade, the full live recording, and you guys can study up on my trades. So you guys can access that you get 40% off using code TRIAD. And also, if you wanted to sign up for the gold flagship course for MMU, you can use code Triad as well for 40% off, and you'll have access to my full archives and the course with showcasing and showing you guys the strategy that I use every single day to stay profitable long-term in the market. So check out those links down in the description, and I will catch you guys later. Also, hit that thumbs up button for me on the way out, and if you're new, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you part of the community, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.